Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how you can change photo background in Canva. Step 1. Upload your image. Then, remove background. Click Edit Photo. From this section, click Background Remover, and it will automatically remove the background. After that, go to Elements. And from Elements, you can search any background you want. For this example, we will use Funky. Then click on your desired background. After that, right-click on the background and click Set Image as Background. If you wish to change it, you can change it by using different image and then do the exact direction. Right-click on the background and click Replace Background. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!